So moving on to naming molecular compounds. So for the first atom, it's always a prefix. There is no suffix. And the prefixes are mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, and just continue on. And if there's only one of the first atom in the molecular compound, the mono prefix is dropped. For the second atom, there's a prefix and then also an ide. So the prefixes, similar to the first atom, are mono, di, tri, and continuing on. And then also another rule of thumb is if the element begins with a vowel, we drop the O or A from the prefix. So if the element was, let's say, oxygen, we would drop the O. I think it's the O from the prefix.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
So like, for example, here we have N2O4. That would be dinitrogen, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, pentaoxide. See? We're gonna be tetra. Oh, actually, be tetro. Sorry. So yeah, when it's when the prefix. Let me figure out how to word this. So when the element begins with a vowel, you don't drop the first letter, you drop the last letter. So like, see how we have tetro instead of tetraoxide? It's tetroxide. So continuing on with that, do you guys want to do these next 5? I kind of have it set up so it's just going to show all 5 at once. So just take like 5 minutes, write them all out, and then we can, kind of discuss them real quick.
Periodic tables allowed. All right, keep it in your back pocket, Rosario. Try to work on the other 4. I guess just to say, I still use everything that we covered in this presentation today. I still use it to this day, even in my upper level courses. Sig figs still come into play. SI unit conversions are everything.
Yeah, like if you're struggling with SI unit conversions, don't feel bad, because like, I know I've been doing them since freshman year. I still struggle with some of them, and the way that I've gotten a lot better at them is just, like the examples where you just write everything out, you do more examples, and you just have that conversion table next to you, so you just know what you're doing. And it's just really helpful to have all that.
Yep, and I think, like Alex said, this will be posted to the YouTube channel. So again, you can always rewatch the video if you need, the concepts cleared up again. We'll give it another minute or so. What is the name of the YouTube channel? Is it the FSETC tutoring centers? Or FSETC? Let me check.
I believe so, but I don't want to give a wrong answer here, so let me quickly message Brian.
Yeah, and I'm gonna do a Google search as well. I think it's Fulton Schools Tutoring. I will send the link in the chat right now. There's also there's a few examples of some like general like engineering applied questions on there. However, they do also have a video for just kind of teaching you how to access the virtual tutoring, because we do virtual tutoring as well as in person now. So there's a few videos on virtual troubleshooting, exactly how tutoring goes on here. Yeah, let me put that in the chat right now. There you go.
Oh, you found it.
Also, all right, seems like Rosario has attempted all 5. Yeah, of course, Daniel, no problem. Yeah, no problem, Mona, of course. So Alex, if you would like to reveal the answers and we'll go through them.
Yeah. So it's a little bit of like a wall of text here, but we'll just go through them one by one. So I believe it was Rosario, I think?
Yeah, Rosario.
It said diarsenic pentoxide. So you had the AO, so it was technically incorrect, but you were very, very, very close. And it's just like a little error that, you know, once you start to see more examples, you'll start to catch that more. So because it's an oxide, it is that oxygen. You have to drop the A at the end of the penta. Now, the next one here, we have PCl3, which is phosphorus trichloride. And we don't drop the I because it's an I, it's not an O or an A, so it's fine. And C is also not a vowel, so just trichloride. The next one here, we have, why did it do that? The next one here, we have carbon and then 4 chlorides, or chlorines. So then we have carbon tetrachloride.
Which is very common.
Yeah, you will use this a lot, especially in your lab classes.
Mm-hmm.
You'll notice that it's a very common compound. Then we have selenium and then 6 fluorines. So that is selenium hexafluoride. And then for this last one here, it is water, otherwise known as dinitrogen monoxide. Or why did I put nitrogen? It should be dihydrogen monoxide. I don't know why I put nitrogen. I'm sorry.
My all-time favorite chemistry jokes is dihydrogen monoxide.
I should
fix that. There you go. Never was a problem to begin with.
It's okay.
I have a quick question on those.
Yeah, for sure.
Is there a reason we don't put like monocarbon tetrachloride or monocelium?
Yeah, because if there's only one of the first atom, the mono prefix is dropped. So the prefix mono is not included on the first atom.
Oh, I see. I just didn't read that all the way through. I see. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. That's a good question. All right. Any other questions?
I have a question.
Yeah, for sure.
So like for the last one, because I put oxide, I didn't put mono.
Right. So this is where that mono would come into play because it's one oxygen. You have to put monoxide, sorry. And you don't have the double O because oxide is a vowel. The O is a vowel. So you drop one of the O's. So it's just monoxide.
Okay, thank you.